Hi, in this quick video I will describe the correct use of parts of speech in English. In English, using the correct part of speech is very important. There are several different parts of speech in English. A noun is used to describe or name something. Some examples of nouns include table, car, and knowledge. Nouns are the most common parts of speech used in English. A pronoun is used when referring to a person in a sentence. You use the pronoun to replace the noun. Examples of pronouns include I, me, we, they, them, and you. There are also many different pronouns, and it is important to learn which one is appropriate in which context. Also remember that using someone's correct personal pronouns is a way to respect them and create an inclusive environment. An adjective is a word that describes or gives further detail about a noun. Some examples of adjectives include round, happy, and purple. Adjectives are usually placed before a noun in English, so you would say the round table, not the table round. Verbs are used to describe an action. In other words, verbs are doing words. Some examples of verbs are talking, running, and singing. There are several different forms of verbs in English. Consequently, it's important to learn when each verb form is used in English. More information about verb forms can be found in another video in this channel. An adverb is used to give further information about how something is being done. In other words, the adverb describes the verb. Some examples of adverbs are quickly, loudly, and beautifully. Most words can be modified into adverbs by adding the suffix ly to a word. But remember that there are also other types of adverbs which don't end in ly, such as often. Prepositions describe the relationship between space, time, or direction. Some examples of prepositions are to, from, and under. Conjunctions are used to connect groups of words. Examples of conjunctions in everyday English include and, but, as well as because. In academic writing, these conjunctions are often more formal, such as additionally, furthermore, or consequently. Interjections are short words or phrases like wow or ouch, which are used to convey a particular emotion. Interjections are usually not used in academic English. While most parts of speech lists do not include articles, it is clear that these words are very important to provide further clarity for nouns. As such, I have included articles in this video as well. Articles provide further information as to whether a noun is specific or non-specific. The articles in English are a, an, the, and what is termed the zero article. More information about articles can be found in another video in this channel.
Created using Powtoon.